Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about the React router. So React router is a library for navigation in React that keeps the UI in sync with the URL, and this library using for single page. That means we will not reload the page. Okay, we just do something on that page by changing the UI with the React code only. Okay, so let's go. First, we need to install the React router DOM. You can use the npm install React router DOM like this, but I prefer to use the second way, that modify the the package.json file manually like this. In the dependencies, okay, attribute here inside the curly bracket, we can add the library by adding a comment like this to separate the libraries, and use the double quotes and add the React router DOM, and then use the colon to separate the name of the React library names and the version of the library. Okay, now we put the version of the library. You can add the 7.5.3 like this and save the file. After that, you use the npm install like this to install or update new libraries for the project. Okay, after we run that command, we have installed all the library for the project. Now we have the project in the library. Okay, now we go to the index.js. Okay, and now we will surround the app component by the browser router like this. You can see this component comes from the React router library. Okay, you click this and it will automatically add the import browser router here. If not, you need to type this here manually. Okay, alright, just surround the app component with the browser router in the index.js file, and after that we go back to the app. Alright, before that we need to create some component to prepare the page that will show when we change the route. Yeah, we can create some page. For example, let's create a new folder for easier to manage. Okay, this page, and inside the page folder we create a new file, and this file will be name it home.js. okay, like this, and create functional component function home, and inside this we just return h2 tag with the text welcome to the home page. Very easy, very simple, right? And now let's create another page named about. Before that we need to export this. Okay, export default home, because we create this functional component into a separate file, so we need to do that. Right, what about here? Current file, React. Okay, we need to add the React because we use the H2. Alright, and copies this file home and pass, and change the name to about for fast. Okay, instead of typing it again, we need to copy for fast, and change the text here with the this is the about page, and change the name for the component also. Yeah, component about, and return about also. And we need to create more, I think. I think that's it. Just create 2 pages. And let's close them and go back to the apps.js. Now we will create a structure of the route. Okay, here we put a navigation bar to show 2 links that we can use to switch the page. Add the link. Okay, this link from the React router DOM also. Okay, and you can see here link, and the link has the attribute to. So inside the to, we add the slash like this. Alright, link, and for the content of the link, we add the text home. Okay, so this slash representing for the root. Okay, the root page. That means when you go to the URL, for example google.com, just the domain, so this is the root of your website. Okay, we just slash site here. Alright, we can create another link. This link is about, and we also have the 2 attribute, and now we add the slash about. Okay, so now if you put another you put another path about, we tap about here, we will go to about page, and below the navigation bar we add the routes with the S. Okay, S. This is contained some routes that will switch together when we change it by click on the link or change the link. Alright, so in the route we add route without the S. Okay, and the route has the attribute path, so this path will map with the 2 here on the link. Okay, so for example, if you add the path, it's just a slash or a root. We this is the router for the root or the home page. Okay, so to select this route is the home page, we add an element with a component inside. We use a component home for this one, home. Okay, all right, and we copy this one for the about and change it to about Okay. Right now I think we can use the npm start to run the project. Okay. Home is not defined. Oh yeah, I think we I'm missing the add the home. I don't know why it didn't automatically add the import here. Let me see. Home, export home. What's wrong here? I think I need to import it manually. Import home like this. Yeah, I don't know why. Sometimes it's weird on my ID about from maybe it's about okay, page about like this. All right. Cannot save. Yeah, you need to change the extension of the about and the home to JS instead of TypeScript. Okay, about.js and home.js. Okay, and after you run, you can see the result here. For the root, we have the home page with the welcome to home page, and when you click on the about link, you can see this is the about page like this. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in